Hello everyone, it's Andrew Algorithmic Trading Tools, and in this video I'll show you how you can make trading using our robot. So first of all, download under the video MetaTrader 5.0 and our trade system, and after select template, the proper one, called SuperAdvisorSorokin. You can find this file in the zip package. So this is a template, and the second step is insert expert, SuperAdvisorSorokin expert. So you attached, I already discussed about the parameters of the system in the video number 1. So this system is attached. Make sure this algo trading button is switched on. So this is a robot. The robot can control up to 3 positions, and it's control a position with your stop loss order. Can move your stop loss up and down, and also can move limit orders, just for pending orders to enter in the position against the trend, whatever it's suitable for you. So this is now, it's as example, is a fast moving instrument, Bitcoin, and robot has the buttons. The buttons only can buy and sell, can be used in the automatic mode. In manual mode, you have to make your order manually. So with a new order button, and when you order, it's an open position. After you can control here, or you can enter the pending order by yourself. So I'll demonstrate you easily how you can make it. First of all, have a look at the power. This is our system calculating it's the power of the trend. Now it's very high power. I suggest you look at the higher time frame, and after move to the low time frame for the same direction. If it's the moving, it's the market moving, and make sure there's 3 lines of our indicator. We have a 3 indicators. It should be like on one side from the price. Right now there's uptrend, and the buy button highlighted or sell button highlighted if it's the system suggesting probability for the better to open a buy position or sell position. So this is now it's a buy position. Let's play in a manual trade. So it's just open order. So it's buy. The order done. This green dotted line, this is the level when its position was opened. This the price of the trade, and if you look down, we have here this is position opened and the price of position. How you can set the system to control your position. In a drop down menu you can find this same ticker of a position. So this is it. And the next to this drop down window with selected ticker number, you can select logic. So fast is a yellow, blue one is a medium, slow it's slow. This is a period. Period can be changed in the parameters of the system. And here there's Bollinger Band. It's also you can move your stop loss. And the order, pending orders, they can move according to the lines here. So let's set now it's the closest to the price is slowest line. Like say the slowest line. And this order will be controlled. Every new candle formed on a time frame. It's a triggering system. So this already see this your stop loss already at the level of the indicator. We can open another position, for example as example, buy again. This is another its position, and 71, it's the latest one, it's always on the top. And set the logic according to the fastest line. So it is the fastest line. Fastest line. And again, it's when it's the new candle, it starts showing on a chart. Yeah, it's the system so now it's a 1 minute time frame. So every 1 minute the system will refresh and recalculate indicators and change to your stop loss. You can see there is a second one that's appeared, and at the same time we can make a new one. We can. It's also there's we open it's another position as well. So there's 3 positions, and last position, and we can set let's medium line, or like Bollinger Band. Here it is a Bollinger Band. Just example. Okay. So we have now uptrend. Can you see there is a stop loss order for this position is going to here. You can change it after if you decided to change it. So all with the stop losses. So in most of the system we have a trailing stop, but the trailing stop, it's the problem with the trailing stop. It's a triggering when it's price going opposite direction. Quite often, if you using our robot, the trailing stop moving, it's like the same trailing stop, but it's the more smarter way. So the trailing stop moving according to the lines, the different lines. So the system protect you from reverse movement of the price, because it's a system recognizing fractals and moving according to the fractals. And moving the lines. So it's drawing the lines. It's the calculating volatility and fractals structure. Also, you have to adjust every price the lines. There's a time frames, and you can make adjustments here. If you SuperAdvisor click right button, you have a property here. So what I suggest to you, the best way, if you visually adjust indicators, the changing parameters of indicators, and after put the same parameters into the properties. So there's a property, the parameter value here should be synchronized with the value of the indicators here. So there's very important. Otherwise, for you it will be hard to control what we've done, because it will be different parameters in the system and the different parameters on the screen of indicators. So this is very important. If the price going in the wrong direction, now it's you see the logic. This is the logic is the moving your stop loss orders. In case if it's everything that goes wrong, you can have a magical button called the close all. Everything closed. Otherwise, your stop loss will be triggered if its will price will goes down. For example, here on this example. Now I'll demonstrate it. Yeah, the position is still left here, but if you look here, there is 0, 0, 0, so you can change by yourself. It's not a big deal. Some power now it's decreasing, and let's think the position can go down, and you wanna limit orders. We can make the 2 ways. New order, this button as usual, but if you're a bit confusing for you, you can just enter the order under the price, a sell stop, or buy limit if it will be above the price. So a sell stop here, change it to the volume they want, boom. So this first order, and look, we can move this the limit. So this limit order, it's not a position yet. So if you look down, this is a pending order. So it's order placed, but it's not executed yet, because the price higher than this level of the limit orders, called the limit orders. Now we can find the order here, and select again, it's according to the limit. So now we can play with three bottom logics, and you can see this close to the price is a magenta line. Magenta is the slowest, so we'll select it here. Look, the limit order jumped to the level of the indicator. We can open it's another limit order. It's another limit order, and set the fastest one. Limit fast. Don't mix up the stop loss and the limit orders. They are all different. So the fastest one, and same we can make this final pending order, and set for the final order 20 the blue line. It's limit medium. So as you can see, every minute the system recalculating your now limiting orders just for the orders they placed in the system for the execution when the price will follow through, and the system recalculating every minute, because right now 1 minute time frame. If it will be time frame 5 minutes, yeah, now you can see that it's 3 green lines. There's the pending orders. Now it will be moved according to the indicator. So indicators move up, these orders will be automatically moved up, and this is kind of an idea in the manual mode of peace of mind. You can protect your position, or wait the correct time to enter into position, instead of buying right now, because nobody knows what's going on in the future. But the price could well go up, and the higher level you will enter your short position according to the indicators. So we can believe and predict, but if you stick to indicator, it's the best way. Also, I forgot to mention about the alert system. Alert system checking all the possible strange the combination of like the candles on the graph and the price movement, and warning you straight away when it's happened. And right now the system recognizing that it's a pattern which can tell you the possibility of a tuning fractal. So we have lots of alerts. You can get the signal. So this, when you set the system in options, wherever you see these events, notifications. So you can set up notification, iPhone, Android, and this notification will be should be the same and in your settings application, your settings, and this program will send the message to your application, and application will warn you when you're away from your desk. So it's very useful. Second parts of the video, as I said before, I'll show you demonstrate your automatic trading. Again, it's better to close all positions. It's not really position yet. It's just, if you can see, this just orders, pending orders, and not position. So it's nothing happens. So we can close only orders, already positions executed, but that orders. So there should like separate the orders which already executed, and you have a position. It's you already in the position, and it's in the system, and just the placed orders. So the orders are not really, you are not really purchased the instrument. It's just only order. So you all the orders you can cancel by yourself, but if you have already positions, the executed orders, you can close all of them by pressing one button. Let's delete 1, 2, 3. So we deleted all our limit orders. You can see here this again, it's set to 0. No more the orders in the system. Okay, and now we will switching off the manual mode, and we are after trade. And after trade, we can execute by ourselves the order, the buying or selling order. If it's the button, it's highlighted by yellow. For example, now buy, we can click. You see this. If it's the system recommending you buying rather than selling, and you click sell, nothing happened, because the system thinking about the possibility of the buying. So in automatic mode, you can also force the system just to buy or sell. Instead of let the system make a decision, you can make decision by yourself. As you can see, this position is just appearing in your trading control panel, and the system automatically remove this stop order, the stop loss order. But you can set the logic here as well, but it's only for the manual. So if it's automatic mode, this drop down the box, it doesn't work. So it's only here. This is very important. The number telling you which position opened by the system, or it's you open it by yourself. If you, for example, click the buy again, you see there is a new order executed. We have another position, and we have a second order. So as I mentioned before, only up to 3 orders, no more. So we made the third one. So now it's a 3 position opened, and we let the system control the trade. Buy order, the alert system also there's adding 3 lines what we've done with the buy orders. So there's all this buy and sell recording here in alert as well, this system. So if you leave it like this, the system will keep an eye on your position and will protect from your losses, like closing your position as a limit order, or protect your profit as well, or will execute the take profit price if it's the price will reach this level. So if you look down, maybe this, because the take profit, yeah, it's take profit, always calculating the highest possible price and based on the fractal analysis, and you can see here. So from here up to here, 40,000. So if its price will reach this level, it will automatically take profit will be executed. So that's, as you can see here, it's take profit, here it's executed. So this is automatic mode. You can see in automatic mode, it also you can close by yourself, like it's pressing the close button, it's close all position in automatic mode in case something goes wrong. And you can switch from manual to automatic mode by yourself. It's clicking the button, so if it's click the button, systems will control according to the logic set it here. So it's in front of every position. Next to each position, the ticker, you should set the logic by yourself, like fast, medium, slow. So in this case, we'll switch to manual mode. The system will control only stop orders. They'll move up follow the price with stop orders, and in after mode your system will make your own decision how to trade, and I can demonstrate you how it's efficiently trading on the historical data, because the system recognizing the flipping the price, so entering in position when the price flipped over the three indicators, and also closing position when it's the price flipped over by the stop loss, and also the system adding to position for every fractal, like in the buying mode, it's for every fractal it's above the three lines, the system will add extra, so starting from one position and adding the second one and third one, depends how long the trend goes up or down. So it's pretty sophisticated logic and the fractal recognition logic. So this is it for this video. You can practice by yourself. Again, you can open demo account and trading account on Ingot Broker. Also, I would like to tell you, I would like to ask you to read the disclaimer. So we providing tool as it is. It's working, but again, it's buying at your own risk. We're not responsible for any loss, directed or indirected losses, because you used our system. At the bottom of the video, all necessary links, to look down at the necessary links, and I will record soon for you next video. All the best. It's Andrew Trading Tools.